In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change status in Outlook. Your availability in Outlook is tied directly to your status in Microsoft Teams, so the simplest way to control how coworkers see you in Outlook is to set your status in Teams. We'll start from Outlook on the web. Open Outlook in your browser, then use the app switcher to open Microsoft Teams. Once Teams is open, head to the top right corner and click your profile picture. This is where you'll see the full list of status options, including available, busy, do not disturb, be right back, away, and offline. Choose the one that best reflects your current availability. Available tells your team you're free to respond. Busy shows you're working with limited interruptions. Do not disturb mutes notifications so you can focus, while be right back and away indicate short or longer periods away from your desk. Offline shows you as not connected. As soon as you pick a status in Teams, Outlook automatically mirrors it. That means your presence is consistent across both apps without any extra steps, so everyone sees the same availability whether they're emailing you in Outlook or messaging you in Teams. This also ties into your Outlook calendar. If you have scheduled meetings, Outlook and Teams can automatically set your status to busy during those times, keeping your presence accurate without manual changes. If you're using the new Outlook for Windows and you want to manage working without a connection, go to Settings, then General, and choose Offline. Here you can toggle Enable Offline Email. Turning this on lets you keep working in your mailbox when you don't have internet access, and Outlook will sync when you reconnect. This is about mail connectivity and doesn't change your team's presence by itself, but it's helpful when you need to keep working on messages while traveling or in low connectivity environments. If you're on Classic Outlook, you'll manage connectivity from the ribbon. Go to the Send Receive tab and click Work Offline. If the button is highlighted, Outlook is currently offline and won't send or receive mail. Click it again to reconnect. Just remember, work offline affects mail flow in Outlook. Your availability status for coworkers is still determined by Teams, and the two will stay in sync once you're back online. That's it. Set your status in Teams, let Outlook mirror it, and use offline or work offline when you need to manage connectivity. Thanks for watching.